Hello students, today we are going to discuss some rest of the MCQs of chapter 5, that is morphology of flowering plants. So let's start without wasting any time. Question is, the given figures A and B shows two type of compound leaves. Choose the option which identify the correct compound leaf with the example. So you can see two figures are given and we have to identify the right option. First option is A, pinnately compound leaf. C, his name. Yeah, this is the right option. As you can see, this type of leaves are normally known as pinnately compound, and C means example. Okay, so it is basically found in neem. So option A is correct. You can also check other options too. Okay, let's move on. Next question. Question is, identify the kind of phyllotaxy shown in the given figures A, B, and C. Here you can see three types of figures are given. First is this and this. Okay, so you can see in the first figure it is basically alternate types. Okay, because you can see first leaf is here and the second one is here, so that's why we call it alternate. Second one is opposite. You can see both the leaves are in opposite direction, that's why it is opposite. And the third one is whorled, so option A is correct. Okay, let's move on. Next question. Question is it is like match of the following type question. So here we have to match the column 1 with column 2. Okay, so let's check. In column 1, A is gamosepalous. Okay, so gamosepalous means fused sepals. Okay, so we have to match with option 6. And polysepalous means what? Polysepalous means free sepals. Okay, so we have to match with fourth one. And the third is gamopetalous. So it is basically free petals. Okay, so third. And the option D is polypetalous. Polypetalous means a few petals. Okay, and epiphyllous basically flower of lily. Okay, and the last one is staminode. It is basically sterile anther. Okay, so option C is correct. Let's move on. Next question. It is also a match of the following type questions. So let's check. Bud in the axil of leaf. So it is basically a simple leaf. Okay, outer layer of seed coat. Testa. Spines, modified leaves. So it is basically an cacti. Okay, leaves modified to catch insects. Pitcher plant and Venus flytrap. And the last option is fleshy leaves with stored foods. So basically garlic and onion. Okay, so option C is correct. Let's move on. Next question. And same match the type question. Okay, you have to match with column 1, family with the androecium formula. So for brassicae, it is the fourth one. Okay, for fabaceae, it is basically a 9 plus 1. Okay, third one. For solanaceae, it is a5. Okay, second option. And the last one for liliaceae, a3 plus 3. So option A is correct. Okay guys, option A is correct. Let's move on. Next question. Which of the following statements is correct? So here we have to identify the correct statements. As you can see, 4 options are given. First is imbricate estivation is found in the Papilionaceous family. Second one is generally sepals are green, leaf-like and protect the flowers in the bud stage. Third one is in cymose type of inflorescence, the main axis terminates in a flower, hence is limitless in growth. And the last one is, in axial placentation, ovary is one chambered, but it becomes two chambered due to the formation of false septums. So here you can say a correct option is option B. Okay, generally sepals are green, leaf-like, and protect flowers in the bud stage. Option B is correct. Let's move on next question. Question is, here we have to match column placentation type with examples. Okay, so let's check basal. So basal placentation type is basically found in marigold. Okay, free central in dianthus. Okay, parietal in argemum, and the axial in lemon and marginal in pea. So here option C is correct. Okay, let's move on next question. Question is, we have to match stem modification and with examples where it can be found. Okay, so let's check. Underground stem. Underground stem is basically potato. Okay, so option third. Second is stem tendril. So stem tendril is basically found in cucumber. Option C is stem thorns. So stem thorns basically found in citrus. And the option D is flattened stem. So most of the people are confused between fleshy stem, flattened stem, like in the examples like opuntia and euphorbia. Okay, so you don't have to doubt here. Okay, so correct answer is option D here. Okay, option D. You can see D, flattened stem, is basically found in opuntia, and the last one is fleshy cylinder stem. So it is basically found in euphorbia. So option D is correct. Let's move on next question. You can see two figures are given and we have to identify the right option. So here A is endosperm. Okay, this region is normally known as endosperm, and B is embryo. Okay, and C is basically scutellum, and D is coleoptile, and the last one, this is coleorhiza. Okay, so option C is correct. Let's move on next question. Which of the following represent the floral characters of Liliaceae? So here we have to identify the correct statement. First is 6 petals, zygomorphic, 6 stamens, bilocular, ovary, axial placentation. Second one is actinomorphic, polyphylous, unilocular ovary, axial placentation. And the third one is tricopulary, actinomorphic, polyandrous, superior ovary, axial placentation. And the last one is bisexual, zygomorphic, gamophilous, inferior ovary, and marginal placentation. So correct option is option C, tricopulary, actinomorphic, polyandrous, superior ovary, and axial placentation. Okay, let's move on next question. Question is, which of the following is correct with reference to floral character of family Solanaceae? So for Solanaceae, which is correct? Racemose zygomorphic unisexual floral characters, or racemose zygomorphic bisexual polypetalous. Third is axillary bisexual actinomorphic epipetal. Yeah, this is the correct. Okay, option C,